Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Framify starter pages. So what you have to do, you have to open a plugin, Framify, open drop-down menu, select pages. So from here you can select the pages which we have created. So these are the old version. So we are updating, we already updated our sections, okay? So we are in progress in updating these pages as well. So you can filter them by category like home, about, contact, FAQ. So I'm going to use the home page. So you have the 10 pages, or you'll be adding more of them. So now I'm going to use this one, home V1, click to insert. As you can see, the whole page has been updated, okay? So what I'm going to do is go to the layer, make sure you select the page and set its width to fill, okay? So if I come here, so this is the old version of our sections. So now you can easily customize them, okay? Like you can change the text here. Number one, artificial intelligence, okay? So you can change the heading, you can change the buttons, okay? You can change from primary to secondary, okay? And if you are going to unlink any component, make sure what you have to do, make sure you double click the component and click unlink and replace all. So all the component will be replaced, okay? Will be unlinked and replaced, okay? So now let's suppose if you make any changes here, if I come here and change the color, as you can see, the changes are now done. So you can also change the text from here, okay? But you have to set the text style before changing, okay? So you can see the changes. As I told you before, that Framer does not detect the text, but the colors. If I go to the dark mode, so as you can see, everything has been changed, okay? You can change the colors. If I come here, colors, primary, okay, everything is changing, okay? So this is how you can create multiple pages. You can create a page and give it a name, about, open our plugin, Framify, go to pages, go about, and click to insert, okay? Now you are done. As you can see, the color has been changed already, okay? So you can make changes from here. So I hope you like this video. If you have any question, make sure you contact us at contact@framify.design. I would try my best to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.